Today I will unbox loads of things. Two packs of Stabilo buses, swing cool. Two of these, also infinite pencil, and also highlighter set, 6 colors, glitter, and also 2 pens. Well, I won't unbox them, just show them to you. They are sparkling, like from the model, like Uniball signal, like this. 2, 1 turquoise and blue, and also magic pen, like this, really cool. And 2 left, like this stepper, really cool, from Top Model. And another Stabilo boss that was not in this collection, but it was like just a part, and I also bought it because I needed the blue one. There's no blue in this collection. So let's start unboxing with the Stabilo bosses swing cool. Let's start with this one. So really easy unboxing. Here from the top, let's take the tape off. Wow, so cool. And let's take our blue one. Wow, look how many beautiful colors, pastel ones. So let's take a piece of paper and see what colors are they, like how beautiful do they write. So like this, swing cool. So cool. So these are the colors for Stabilo Boss pastel colors, highlighters. So I unboxed this pack, and now let's take this pack. So cool, swing cool, Stabilo Boss small ones. Whoa. I think they're not called boss because the boss one are these ones. So maybe they are not called boss, just Stabilo swing cool. No, sorry. I think that's not the right name, just Stabilo swing cool. So what colors I have is this like peach one, I think, yeah. This is the color. I didn't know what colors is this. Well, blue, gray, something like that. So they are, I think they are like autumn colors. Yeah, like nature. So these are the nature colors. I will show them to you what do they look like. So this is green. This is gray. Pink, I think. Well, a bit browny pink. Browny pink. Brown, and this color, blue-gray. So these are the nature colors, and these are the rainbow. These colors, pastel ones. So I got lots of Stabilos, and now let's see my 2 beautiful pens. They're not erasable, but they're also cool. Look How do they write? Beautiful, sparkling, with glitter, I think. Yeah, green. Well, more turquoise than green. So, also blue. Beautiful. Also glittery. So nice. So let's see what I got next. Highlighter set. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. So I've got all these colors here with, I don't know what's this, some just glitter. Well, let's see. So I got a pink, well, like red, pink, more pink than red. So orange, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. All of this. Let's see how they look like. So I think this is just for like cool looking, I think. Wow, so cute. Oh, so cute. Orange. Let's see all the colors. Yellow one is really shiny. I love it. And these, I didn't know what we can do with the glitter ones, like with this part of the glitter. I don't know. But I think it's just for decoration or something. So let's now unbox this infinite pencil. Really cool. So quick unboxing. Ooh, nice. Wow. So the pencil is called like apple. It's so tiny here. Wow. And I don't know why it's called infinite, but we've got an extra one here. I don't know why. Maybe it's not infinite. I don't know why I have two of these, but maybe it's like infinite there. So we even have this to put on. So this is my cool infinite pencil. No need to be sharpened. So now I got a cute top model box with a stapler with some doggies and with candy, the girl. So let's unbox it. So cute. I really love it. Oh my god. Oh, so cute. Wow. I think there's nothing inside. So we can put these inside. So many. So giant. 1,000 of these staples. Maybe I need to fold it this. Oh, I needed to press a lot. So, like this. So cool. I love it so much. This is my favorite top model thing. So now I got this. Yeah. So, and with 1,000 these. I think that's really cool. And now let's see. I think my last thing that I bought. Yeah, this. I think that's it. So this. Oh, I also bought these. These I just put it here. So 2 pastel glue stick. Yeah, it was really strange for me. So pastel glue stick, instant, cool, and a Milan rubber here. A squared rubber, Milan, and here sharpener, and here to take the like what you sharpened. So here, let's unbox this. This is so cool, a magic pen. Let's take it out. I think like this. Yeah. So here, it makes light, and it writes like this. Magic pen. You can see it only with this light. So let's take our paper. So you can't see what I wrote here. I don't even remember where it was. So, and now you can see what I wrote. So I wrote hello here. So cool. Wow, I love it so much. I really love these top model things. This is with a cute horsey, a white horse, Miss Melody. So from top model, I got these 2 things. Yes. And the rest is these. So let's see, like inside. It looks like white, but I think it's pastel. Maybe, yeah, a little bit, or just like the outside thing. But like it doesn't glue with the color. Well, I think like it looks pastel, but it doesn't stick with pastel color. So doesn't matter. So I hope you liked my unboxing and all of my cute little lovely things, Stabilos and everything in glitter. 2 pens, pencil, Milan, stapler, and Miss Melody magical pen. So I hope you liked it, and for now, comment, share, and subscribe, like. Bye!